In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text on an image in Evernote. Adding text directly onto an image is really useful when you want to label screenshots, create quick annotations, or highlight important details without needing a separate design tool. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the process inside Evernote's built-in image editor, so you can follow along and do it yourself in just a few clicks. First, make sure you already have an image added to a note in Evernote. This could be a screenshot, a photo, or any image you've uploaded or pasted into your note. Once the image is visible inside the note, move your mouse over it and click directly on the image. This tells Evernote that you want to work with that specific image, and it will bring up a small toolbar associated with it. When you click the image, look for a pen or pencil icon. This icon represents the annotation or editing tool. It is usually displayed either above the image or along its top edge once the image is selected. Go ahead and click this pen icon. By doing this, you open Evernote's image annotation editor, which gives you several tools for marking up your image. Inside the annotation editor, you'll see different options, such as shapes, arrows, and other markup tools. For adding words or labels, you want the text tool. Look for an option labeled text and click on it. Once you select the text tool, your cursor will be ready to place a text box onto the image. Now move your cursor over the image and click on the spot where you want your text to appear. This click creates a new text box on the image. You can start typing right away. Enter the text you want, such as a label, a note, or a short description. After typing, you can usually adjust the position by clicking and dragging the text box to a better location, and depending on your version of Evernote, you may also be able to change the font size, color, or style to make the text more readable. When you're satisfied, look for the option to save or close the annotation editor. Your image, now with the text on it, will appear back inside your note, ready to use, share, or reference anytime.